Traveling in the digital age doesn't mean lugging half your office around. With the right balance of lightweight tools and clever strategies, you can stay charged, informed, and secure without turning your backpack into a brick. In this video, we'll explore 18 portable tech essentials and practical tips to streamline your next adventure. So grab your passport and let's discover how you can roam the planet while staying plugged in. A dependable Ultrabook or versatile 2-in-1 tablet acts as your command center. Draft emails in a budget hostel, edit photos in a bustling airport lounge, or video call home from that remote cabin. Look for long battery life, durable construction, and fast processing. This minimal footprint fuses productivity and portability, so you don't have to sacrifice performance to keep your bag light. Whether you're capturing the perfect sunrise photo or navigating a new city, you can't afford a dead battery. A high-capacity power bank with multiple USB ports saves your devices from sudden blackouts. Opt for something lightweight, yet powerful enough for multiple phone charges. With this in your day pack, you'll never miss a moment or get stranded without GPS again. From rowdy hostel rooms to roaring airplane cabins, noise-cancelling earbuds create an oasis of calm. Listen to podcasts, stream your favorite playlists, or just enjoy some hush time. Choose compact designs that slip into pockets with ease. These tiny buds pack a mighty punch, enhancing peace and productivity no matter how loud your environment. Roaming charges can be brutal, so go armed with a global SIM or an unlocked phone plus a portable hotspot. Snag local data plans to stay connected for a fraction of typical costs. Plus, that hotspot can power multiple devices. Great for traveling with friends. Staying online means you can easily book rides, find hidden gems on maps, and keep loved ones updated in real time. Free yourself from digging out your phone every time it pings. A smartwatch or fitness band shows notifications, heart rate, and even basic GPS directions. Whether you're hiking the Inca Trail or exploring Tokyo's neon avenues, wearable tech keeps you on schedule, encourages healthy habits, and streamlines your day-to-day travel operations right from your wrist. Different countries, different plugs, no problem. A universal travel adapter plus a multi-port charger eliminates that frantic late-night scramble for the right adapter. Look for gear with safety certifications and built-in surge protection to safeguard your electronics. Minimal clutter, maximum convenience, so you can keep everything topped up from a single outlet. Capturing memories is half the fun, but hauling a bulky DSLR can weigh you down. Instead, consider a compact mirrorless camera or a smartphone gimbal that stabilizes video and enhances low-light photography. You'll preserve the magic of each sunset, city skyline, or wildlife encounter without carrying a backpack full of heavy gear. Trade that stack of paperbacks for a lightweight e-reader. Load it with guides, phrasebooks, novels, and you're set for countless hours of reading pleasure. The glare-free screen is perfect under bright sun or dim plane cabins, and battery life often spans weeks, ideal for that remote island with questionable electricity. Nothing kills the travel vibe like lost luggage. Tuck a luggage tracker into your bag and rest easy knowing you can pinpoint its location if it vanishes into airline limbo. Some trackers offer crowdsourced location services, alerting you the moment someone else with the same app is near your missing bag. It's a little device with huge peace of mind dividends. Off-grid adventures don't have to mean offline. A portable solar charger collects rays while you explore, refilling your power banks and gadgets. If you're all about eco-friendly treks or lengthier wildlife expeditions, this is a game changer. No more worries about finding the nearest wall socket. Embrace the sun and travel greener. Music connects travelers everywhere. A mini Bluetooth speaker elevates shared moments, whether it's chill tunes during sunrise yoga or an impromptu dance party in the hostel common room. Just keep the volume respectful of local culture and your neighbors. A pinch of sound can turn a mundane evening into a memorable gathering. For the digital nomads out there, typing on a cramped laptop keyboard can get old fast. A foldable Bluetooth keyboard and a travel-sized mouse offers superior ergonomics, especially for heavy typing or design tasks. Slip them into your day pack and enjoy the comfort of a true workstation no matter where you roam. Save yourself a meltdown if your device fails or goes missing. Cloud-based storage like Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive, plus offline syncing gives you instant access to itineraries, scanned passports, and more, no matter if you have Wi-Fi or not. Automatic backups safeguard all those precious memories, so you're free to delete them from your device if storage runs low. Conserving juice means fewer frantic hunts for an outlet. Optimize your devices by turning on battery saver modes, dimming screens, or toggling airplane mode when the signal is weak. You'll be surprised how much longer your gear lasts, letting you post epic sunset photos to Instagram just when everyone else's phone is hitting 1%. Dust, sand, and moisture can wreak havoc on delicate electronics. Wipe down screens, use protective cases, and update firmware regularly. Keep an eye on cables for signs of wear. A quick cleaning ritual every few days helps avoid bigger malfunctions and extends the lifespan of your beloved gear. Ever wish you had a helping hand to capture a group shot or stable, long-exposure night photos? A collapsible tripod or flexible stand like those bendy gorilla tripods answers the call. They weigh next to nothing and let you frame that perfect shot, no stranger's shaky hand required. Great for self-portraits or breathtaking nature time lapses. If you're snapping photos like there's no tomorrow, and who can blame you, pack some SD cards or a portable SSD. Solid-state drives are fast, drop-resistant, and can store huge amounts of data in a palm-sized enclosure. Offloading images and videos means you never run out of memory. And it's a handy backup in case your camera or phone decides to throw a tantrum. When guesthouse Wi-Fi is spotty or you want to create a secure network for multiple devices, a mini travel router has your back. Some also double as a wireless file hub, letting you share or back up files to a connected hard drive. Perfect for group trips, remote work setups, or just boosting subpar internet. You've journeyed through 18 pieces of portable tech that can elevate your travel experience, from sunlit beach days to rugged mountain retreats. Each item is designed to keep you productive, connected, and stress-free while you roam. Whether you're a seasoned digital nomad or a casual holidaymaker, a little foresight in picking the right gadgets can save you from countless headaches down the line. Embrace technology as your travel ally, light on your back and big on possibility. Thanks for joining me on this tech-savvy tour. Got another portable gadget or travel hack you swear by? Drop it in the comments below. If this video charged up your wanderlust or helped you streamline your pack, give it a thumbs up. Our community thrives on shared experiences, so let's help each other travel smarter. Before you zip up your suitcase for the next big adventure, be sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell. You'll stay in the loop for all our upcoming travel tips and destination guides. Know someone who's constantly on the go. Share this video to boost their packing game too. Thanks for watching. Now go make those travel dreams a reality. At the end of the day, the best memories come from the sights you see and the people you meet, not from lugging around heavy gear. Choose wisely, pack light, and stay connected wherever your heart leads you. Safe travels, my friend.